Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femite video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode, another Starlink video. So this is my Starlink modem here. So of course persons would realize that as for Starlink, they don't send any Ethernet port on the wireless router. So on the back here, there's no port for you to plug what is called an Ethernet cable, which is this. So there's nothing on the Starlink modem for you to plug this in. um Actually, what Starlink would have done is that they actually sell that adapter separately. For here in Jamaica, I think adapter gonna cost me about $9,000. Now I actually have a get around for that in terms of you being able to use Ethernet cable with your Starlink um, modem without having to purchase um, that Ethernet adapter. Let me get this plug back in. Okay, great. Right, so again, as for the Starlink modem, it does not comes with a Ethernet port for you to plug in an Ethernet cable. So what you need to get is a wireless router that basically comes with the capability to repeat or extend existing wireless or Wi-Fi signal. For me, I would have chosen the TP-Link. This is the AC 750 wireless dual band router. Actually got it online for about 20 USD about on Amazon. Right, so this is what I'm going to use. So first, what you need to do, get a Ethernet cable. You're going to plug it around at the back here, any one of these LAN port, and then the other end you're going to plug it into your laptop. As for the default IP address for this TP-Link wireless router, it is 192.168.0.1. Once you do that, I'm going to prompt you to create a password. So I'm going to create a password. Confirm the password. Okay, click on start. Asking me to type in the password now. Right, so I log in into, right, so I'm now in the wireless router. So I'm gonna click on quick setup. Once you're on quick setup, we're gonna click on next. Then as you can see, range extender. I'm gonna click on it, click on next. Now it is now searching for the available wireless that actually in the environment. So I'm gonna look for the Starlink now. So actually gonna look for the Starlink. Let's do a refresh of this page, right? Right, so as you can see, Femitech Starlink, that's the signal I'm gonna extend. Click on it. You're gonna click on next, connect, next. Now gonna prompt me to put in a password. So I'm gonna put in the password. Now the password is in, gonna click on next. Right. So almost complete. Scroll down the bottom, you're gonna see finish, click on finish. So again, You can choose any wireless router, just that you have to ensure that that wireless router comes with the capability of extending or repeat existing wireless signal. So I'm just waiting on this to process. Down the bottom there, as you can see, it is the globe with the slash inside it. That seems to mean that there is no internet. So just waiting for the process to complete. So as for wireless router, definitely go with the TP-Link, because TP-Link generally for most of their wireless router comes with that capability. As you can see, the light disappeared now of the wireless router. It is now rebooting. You can see wireless router completely shut down. It is now powering up back. So we're waiting to see this icon there change to that computer screen or that computer box with showing you that yes, internet is connected. So getting there, the wireless router is up. Wow, as you can see, change. Just gonna show you that yes, it actually works. So do a speed, just doing a speed test to show that yes, it works. So waiting for it to respond. As you can see, definitely work, guys. So now I'm able to utilize all these 4 ports on the back there. So as you can see, so I can plug other wireless router, I can plug a desktop computer, I can plug internet switch in it, and definitely get internet from these. So again, guys, this is just another video showing you some useful tips, useful tricks for your Starlink internet. So again, Starlink does not include any Ethernet port on this modem here. You'll have to purchase the wireless adapter, not the wireless, the Ethernet adapter individually. I think gonna cost me about $9,000. So again, guys, simple video. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video. Definitely remember to share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.